consider creating a product review site. Are you looking for a great way that you can make money online? Have you tried various methods but failed miserably at bringing in cold, hard cash? If so, you've come to the right place. Today I'd like to share with you a great way that you can make money online. I am sure when you've been a website before that reviews products. These sites are created to help the consumer make informed decisions about what they want. However, they're also created to make money as a real business. So if you do it the right way, you'll get the best of both worlds. You'll have a site that genuinely helps people, and a site that will help fatten your wallet. When doing product reviews, do your best to compare all of the bells and whistles that each product may contain. You really need to help the consumer make a decision to buy. If you make the product review too boring and not convincing enough, the person reading the review probably won't buy, or they'll look for a better website. This doesn't mean that you need to push products. Your job is to present products in a non-biased way that will educate the future buyer as to which is the best and why. Normally you should try and give them 2 to 3 solid options that they can choose from. You'll be surprised sometimes when the person on your site decided to buy the third option you recommended instead of the first. Even though you may have recommended something different, they may have noticed something else that caught their eye about a different product. You can do product reviews for both information products and physical products. Physical products are easier to make money on because the person may have already researched a particular keyword to find the product. The only problem with physical products is that the commissions are generally smaller. A great place to start is by reviewing popular products on jvzoo and creating a website around them. If you choose to do information products that have higher commission levels, you can go to the link in the description to look at the options. Before you know it, you'll have your own money-making website.